Hey everyone. So we're all familiar by now with some of the most pervasive FE rhetoric. They claim to be truth seekers, they deny real science every day and call themselves scientists, or say that everyone is a scientist. All part of a narrative that places the responsibility of making scientific observations in the hands of the layman. In particular, thanks to the efforts of charlatans like Quantum Eraser, Nathan Oakley and Anthony Riley, we have lots of flat earth lemmings running around misapplying the concept of the scientific method, claiming anything related to the established shape of the earth and the nature of the solar system is not scientific and is all just propaganda from men in white coats, involving tests and measurements that cannot be repeated by the common man. This includes but is not limited to constantly asking about measuring the distance to the sun. Meanwhile, of course, none of these protesters actually go out and make any real effort to repeat or falsify the things they complain about. They prefer to sit in their couches running live streams on YouTube every day, asking asinine questions and behaving like children when the answers don't appeal to their own unproven, unscientific, wholly imaginary conception of the earth and the physics of reality. Notably, they all have means of being paid for their lack of effort, and have no problem milking their viewers for cash, which is never used for any kind of scientific endeavour. So this is the state of affairs. They talk the talk, they fleece people for cash, but they don't walk the walk. And if you believe the nonsense that they regurgitate daily, everyday citizens are excluded from performing scientific observations that verify the heliocentric model. During the 2017 solar eclipse, an event predicted using the heliocentric model, groups consisting of scientists, students, teachers and amateur astronomers took part in a large-scale scientific experiment observing the solar corona known as citizen CATE. As you can see from the website, this is true citizen science employing over 60 telescopes spread across North America. I'll leave the link in the description. Now moving on to the upcoming Monday the 11th of November 2019. Another celestial event predicted by the heliocentric model is about to occur, the transit of Mercury. As with the transit of Venus, this offers the opportunity to establish parallax measurements and devise the distance to the Sun. Using the equipment from Citizen CATE, another group of citizen scientists, consisting mainly of students spread across 12 sites, will take part in Citizen ToM and will attempt to do exactly that. So here we have a prime example of real science being performed by laymen, contrary to the fallacious rhetoric of the couch-bound flat earth charlatans. Now the question remains, will any of these arrogant, vocally dismissive flat earthers utilise this opportunity to perform some real science? Will they put the money they are fleecing from their flock to good use for an actual experiment which can be used to verify or falsify one of their key talking points? Or will they simply stay inside complaining, wait for the results to come in, and then spend days making uninformed commentary on the project while raking in even more cash from their gullible followers? I think we all know the answer to that already. And I can guarantee this event will pass without the participation of any of these self-proclaimed truth seekers and scientists, proving yet again that Flat Earth is a cult built upon the lies of lazy, ignorant, egotistical con men. So to sum up, the upcoming transit of Mercury is an historic opportunity for flat earthers to prove themselves, and I challenge them to do so. However, I guarantee the only thing they will prove is just how fake they are. Cheers, guys.